Hey everyone on YouTube, what's going on? This is the Midnight Mechanic here with another video that I felt would lead to some insight on why it's important to run maybe a can of seafoam or so through the intake or the induction system of a vehicle every so often. I'm working on a GMC or a Chevy Trailblazer. It's got about 200,000 miles, and I've kept up with the maintenance okay on this vehicle. But it's got a little bit of a rough idle, a little bit of shaky feeling to it, and we ran a can of seafoam through it yesterday, and the idle changed dramatically, and the amount of smoke that was coming out was just crazy. So today, within 24 hours later of doing that, which is today currently, we removed the intake. And we also removed the valve cover to change some tube seals to get rid of the oil that was leaking in there. But to manually clean out the intake ports, and just seeing a dramatic change in the way the idle was yesterday, just from running some seafoam, I really wanted to see what they would look like and to see if there was going to be a noticeable difference in the way the vehicle ran after removing these large amounts of carbon deposits. So here, let me see if I can get you guys a closer view inside the port here. Let's see, I'll light it up right now for you guys. Let's see. I'll just see it right now at this angle. Light's running on low here. Pretty much all that stuff that's there is carbon deposit that's built up, oil film, residue that's been left behind. And what's going on is, and I'm going to show you in just a second, is that inside on the actual valve itself, that stuff is piled up. And we're talking not just a little bit, a lot, like super piled up. See if we can get a video here for you guys. Removing some of this stuff. I'm just gonna use this guy, that's all. Trying to scratch the valve up if you can. Look at that shit. So we'll continue cleaning that. See, I'm wiping this thing off here. Back at it again. Don't get me wrong, you guys, you know, you don't want to go eat out the inside of the engine and try to be that clean. But you guys definitely want to try not to have this much buildup going on. I have a little pile here that I'm going to show you guys when we're done here. This is not even the best tool for doing this, to clean all this shit out, by the way. That shit. So there's a little electricity in there. It's pretty nasty still. Tar. I just imagine. You don't have to really imagine. You can really see here. Each one of these valve ports is like that. So what's happening is the injectors that are spraying into these ports, when that carbon's built up on top of the valve, it actually gets soaked into the carbon rather than being sprayed and atomized into the cylinder, and which can lead up to pre-detonation, knocking, hot spots, uneven combustion, giving you guys rough, shaking idle, or even just a straight misfire. So I'll be addressing this with a can of seafoam again for a second time once I hand clean all these ports out. But once again, this is on a Chevy Trailblazer. I don't remember the year off the top of my head, probably in the 2000s, some sort. It's an inline 6 engine. So we just replaced the valve cover gasket and grommets, which required us to remove all this crap that we did to get off this one bolt here that's covered by the intake manifold, which also led us to doing this. Plus we wanted to see where we're at from yesterday. So alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.